Andrew, what are you doing?
Andrew, come here. You gonna go get your mommy wet?
What are you doing?
Oh, those are birds, baby. You don't want to play with those. They're gonna hurt. They're gonna hurt, you dork. They can learn. They're still gonna swing our lights back here, right?
You gotta get out to jump with Andrew, Tanner.